So once again, when we run it, as we know, we get this particular error that we've been seeing. It's not supported by the server. Now comes to the question, what is this 587 port number that we just looked at? So if you have a look, the 587 port number, so it says, you can have a look out here, the port number that's for Gmail, you can have a look. So connect on port 587 if you're using TLS. So you need to sign in with the Google username and password for authentication to connect with SSL or TLS. So this is using SSL or this is using TLS. Now we need to start TLS or SSL, which we did not. So we need to have a look if there is something which starts TLS. Yes, there is. So smtp.startTLS needs to be called, which we need to put that in the program as well. So just before login, you need to say smtp underscore obj dot start TLS. So we need to say that. After we do that, we can very well send the email. So of course, maybe there may be one error because of this pause. We have said we have called the function pause without importing it from Signal. So we need to import from Signal. From Signal module, we need to import pause function, right? Which causes the main file to pause for a few minutes. So, sorry, we need to just import the function. We don't need to import this out here. We don't need to have the brackets. Right. So ping is successful. Yep. And login successful. Now, coming out here, you may be waiting for the button 1.pressed and button 2.pressed. Let's press button 1. So when I press button 1, whom do you want to email? It's asking me whom do you want to email. All right. So let's say I want to email myself. So that's going to be iot.educba@gmail.com. I want to email myself. Oops. Hi, enter your email. Oh, enter your email, meaning not your email ID, but enter whatever you want to say. Hi, I am currently sending an email from my Raspberry Pi programmatically. Okay, so let me say this and I say enter. Well, I need to check whether my email has gone or not, right? So sending email. Okay, so I just entered it. Okay, I need to print the sending email. For that, I need to send email. I need to press button 2. So let me do that. Let me press button 2 and check if there is an error or not. So button 1 was pressed, and yeah, so button 1 was pressed. Okay, and let me say now I'm going to press button 2. Sending email. It got pasted up there. Sending email. Let's have a look whether the email has come to myself. iot.educba@gmail.com. So let me just check. Fingers crossed. Oh yeah, me. Yep. Hi. I am currently sending an email from my Raspberry Pi programmatically. Cool. It got successful. Okay. I have not put a subject or something like that. So if you want subject, I need to add that in my message itself with certain modifications. Okay. So we will make those modifications right away. A few of the modifications that we need to make are, let's say, as we can say, when I say message, I need to have a keyword called a subject. And when I say subject, then it can give that to me. So let's do that. Okay.